This is the SoundPeats Air3 Pro wireless earbuds. I've been using these for 2 months now, and comparing the sound from the music coming from the Apple AirPods, I'd say the Apple AirPods sounds clear. Compared to that, it is around 9 out of 10. The controls do work, however, I only really use the volume up, down, and pause most of the time. Comfort when using it while I'm cleaning or running is a solid 10 out of 10. I didn't feel any discomfort in using these. Battery life is advertised at 6 hours. I tried to do one full charge and it lasted more than that. Price is another thing, as you can buy 3 of this with the cost of 1 Apple AirPods, the latest one. Now that's value for money. With this said, this is a recommended budget earbuds that is solid and reliable. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you on the next video. Take care, guys.